हेलो 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 नहीं तो बोलो हेलो हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा बोर्ड क्लियर है या नहीं बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है क्लियरली दिख रहा है ना हेलो बोर्ड क्लियरली दिख रहा है ना आवाज आ रही है कीप साइलेंस बोर्ड क्लियरली दिख रहा है ना बेटा
नो सर
बोर्ड दिख रहा है या नहीं
क्लियर नहीं है क्योंकि आपका नेटवर्क कनेक्शन थोड़ा कम है।
ला रहा तो अगर ठीक करो बेटा बोर्ड दिख रहा ना
यस सर नो सर बोर्ड अभी भी क्लियर नहीं सर क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है क्या लिखा हुआ है
दो बेटा
यस सर अब क्लियर है
सबसे पहले देखेंगे मेंस्ट्रुएशन में ट्रेपेजियम I'm going to start to teach mensuration. In mensuration, I'm going to explain about trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is your kinds of quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides are parallel and remaining two sides are non-parallel and non-equal. If remaining two non-parallel sides become equal to each other, then that trapezium must be treated as an isosceles trapezium. This is your trapezium. ABCD. Here parallel sides are this and that, and these remaining two sides are non-parallel sides. Suppose that parallel sides be A and B having the height H. Then area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides into height. This must be equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. This is your formula for area of a trapezium. Formula for area of a trapezium is this: half into A plus B into H, means half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Okay, दिख रहा है ना बेटा बोर्ड? ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन राइज होता है कि हाउ वी बिकम एबल टू प्रूव इट दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स इनटू हाइट. इसके लिए देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं. दिस इज 90, दैट इज 90 अल्फा. आप इधर ही कर लीजिए 90. इसको थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा देते हैं, इसको प्रूफ कर देते हैं बेटा. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा दिया और फिर इसको बी से ज्वाइन करते हैं. This is your H, this is your height H, this is your height H, height H. आप देखिए, after that you are just going to join a diagonal BD. Here two triangles are being created. First one is triangle ABD. Second one is triangle ABCDE. Second one is triangle DBE. This DE is perpendicular on AB as well as BE is also perpendicular on CD. According to figure, we have area of triangle, area of trapezium ABCD, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BED. ABD plus area of triangle BED. This is equal to half into base AB into height D. फिर प्लस 1/2 into base CD into height B. This must be equal to 1/2. Suppose that this is A into A into H plus 1/2 into that is B, B into H. H is being taken as common and 1/2 is also being taken as common. After taking as common 1/2 into H, the remaining will be equal to A plus B. Hence proved. Hence proved. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. With the help of this formula, we become able to solve the questions related with trapezium. If these two non-parallel sides, these two sides are AD and BC are non-parallel sides. If these two non-parallel sides become equal to each other, then this must be treated as an isosceles trapezium. अगर ये दोनों non-parallel side आपस में equal हो जाए तो हम लोग कहेंगे कि ये trapezium isosceles trapezium है. But if non-parallel sides are not equal, then simply it will be treated as a trapezium. Okay, have you any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? हेलो हेलो
नो सर।
बेटा इसको नोट कर लीजिए, इसके बाद रब कर रहे हैं सारे बच्चे, इसको जल्दी से नोट कर लीजिए. आज से नया टॉपिक हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया है, मेंसुरेशन. इससे पहले लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल को हम लोगों ने फिनिश कर दिया था. अब समर वेकेशन के बाद नया टॉपिक हमने शुरू किया है, मेंसुरेशन. मेंसुरेशन भी बड़ा चैप्टर है, लार्ज स्केल पर इसमें टॉपिक्स है और क्वेश्चंस भी है, इसलिए इसको हम लोग फिनिश करेंगे स्मूथली. ओके, फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज मेंसुरेशन. Also you have to do the questions related with trapezium. This is your first topic. Okay. Have you any doubt in it? रब कर रहे हैं. इसको रब कर दें. सारे बच्चे एग्जाम्पल का भी क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व द गिवन क्वेश्चंस इन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्कशीट 1. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स, you have to solve each and every question related with worksheet 1. I'm just going to solve questions of worksheet 1. First question is this. Worksheet 1, mensuration. Find area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 33 centimeter and the distance between them is 13 centimeter. This is your trapezium. suppose that ABCD is your trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, as well as distance between them is 13 centimeter, and these two parallel sides are 57 centimeter and 33 centimeter. Distance between them is 13 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. This is perpendicular ABCDE. Let ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is equal to 57 centimeter, CD is equal to 33 centimeter, and DE is equal to 13 centimeter. This is your height. Area of trapezium, hands, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. This must be equal to 1 by 2 AB plus CD into D. This is equal to 1 by 2. This 57 plus 33 into 13. This must be equal to, यहाँ लिख देते हैं 1 by 2 into 90 into 13. This is 45. This one becomes equal to 45 into 13. 45 into 13. This is equal to 585 centimeter square. 585 centimeter square. It is your answer. Have any doubt in it?
सर एग्जांपल 3 समझा।
ठीक है, इसको नोट कर लीजिए। इसके बाद सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। वर्कशीट 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। If you have any doubt in such solution, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve your problem if you have any doubt at any point in such solution. I have solved question number 1. It is given in the question that the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 57 centimeter and 33 centimeter, and required height is 13 centimeter. Then find out the area of such trapezium. Area of such trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. This is equal to half into AB plus CD into D. This must be equal to 1 by 2 into 57 plus 33 into 13. This must be equal to 1 by 2 into 90 into 13. This will be equal to 45 into 13. This is equal to 585 centimeter square. It is your answer. सारे बच्चों को समझ में आया है या नहीं बेटा? Have any doubt? आया ना?
यस सर।
ठीक। अभी जस्ट एग्जाम्पल 3 का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर देते हैं। एक बच्चे का डिमांड है कि सर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर दिया जाए, तो जस्ट मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूँ, इसको जल्दी से नोट कर लीजिए आप लोग। रब कर दें।
यस सर।
ठीक है, ओके। Find area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and the other sides are 15 centimeter each. We have ABCD, ABCD be a trapezium in which parallel sides are 13 cm and 25 cm. This is 25 cm, that is 13 centimeter. Here non-parallel sides are given as 15 cm and 15 cm. 15 cm, that is 15 cm. We have to evaluate the area of such trapezium ABCD. Here non-parallel sides are equal to each other, so this must be treated as an isosceles trapezium. To solve this question, we can just draw a parallel line parallel to AD, like this. This is parallel to that. In such a manner, if this is parallel to that, so this one become equal to 15 centimeter, because after drawing parallel to AD, A, B, C, D, E, this A, E, C, D become a parallelogram. If this one become parallel to that and this one is parallel to that, so the figure A, E, C, D become a parallelogram. And if this one become a parallelogram, then this one become 15 centimeter and that one is 15 centimeter, because according to properties of parallelogram, we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this one become parallel and this one is equal to that. Hence, according to figure, and if this is 15 and that is 13, so this is 13 centimeter. Remaining this one will be equal to 25 minus 13, that is 12 centimeter. This is 25. According to figure, you have the same result. After that, this is 15, that is 15, this is 12. So draw a certain perpendicular. This one is perpendicular, this is your F. Now, area of triangle BCE become equal to half base into height. पहले अकॉर्डिंग टू फिगर करते हैं बेटा, अकॉर्डिंग टू फिगर we have area of triangle BCE half into BE into CF. BE into CF. Suppose that its height be h. Then you have the same result. Half into 12 into h. This is equal to 6h. Again, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, दूसरे तरह से भी कर सकते हैं बेटा। ऐसे करें या दूसरे मेथड से कर दें, बहुत सारा मेथड है। अगेन area of triangle BCE is equal to this. This one is 15 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter, and this one is your 12 centimeter. This one become an isosceles triangle. Where area of isosceles triangle BCE is equal to B by 4 into under root 4a square minus b square. Where B stands for base and A stands for equal sides. Base is your 12, 12 by 4, under 4 into A, B stands for base, A stands for equal side, 15 whole square minus 12 whole square. 4 3 are 12, 3 into 4 into 225 minus 144, 3 into 900 minus 144. This must be equal to 3 into square root of 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 4 5, 7, 756. Okay, this must be equal to 3 into square root of 756. बेटा 756 अधिक लीजिए, 756 का 2 से करेंगे, 2 3 जा 6, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 से किया 1, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा this one. फिर 9 से कर सकते हैं, 9 2 जा 18, 9 1 जा 9, 3 से कर सकते हैं 7. अब नहीं होगा, यानी square root 2 2 is equal to 2, this 3, 21, 9, 6 root 21. This must be equal to 3 into 6 root 21 centimeter square. Since both have area of the same triangle, so you can just, according to question, hence according to question we have 6h is equal to 3 into 6 root 21. 6 6 is being cancelled, therefore h is equal to 3 under root 21 centimeter. 321 centimeter. Hence area of trapezium, अब निकल गया आपका height. Finally we can just use the formula to evaluate the required area of trapezium ABCD. कैसे एवरेज करेंगे इसको देख लीजिए. इतना सॉल्व करने के बाद बेटा हाइट निकालने के लिए इतना किए हैं हम लोग. एरिया सबसे पहले निकाले हैं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BCE. दिस इज योर हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट, हाफ बेस इज योर B, height is equal to h. Half into 12 into h, that is 6h. After that BCE is also being treated as an isosceles triangle, where area of isosceles triangle is equal to B by 4 into under root 4a square minus b square, where B stands for base and essence for two equal sides. This is equal to 3 into 4 into 15 whole square minus 12 whole square. This is equal to 3 into 900 minus 144, 3 into 756. This is equal to 3 into 6 root 21. This is your area of given triangle BCE also. Since both are area of the same triangle, so you can just equate 6 into h is equal to 3 into 6 root 21. After equating it, our height become equal to 3 under root 21 centimeter. Hence area of trapezium ABCD यहाँ लिख देते हैं. Hence area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides AB plus CD into height CF. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 25 plus this one is 13 into कितना है height 3 root 21. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 38 into 3 root 21. This one is 19. 57 into under root 21 centimeter square. It is your answer. This is right solution. 57 under root 21 centimeter square is the required area of such triangle trapezium ABCD. Have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? इसका दूसरा मेथड भी है बेटा. दूसरा मेथड है कि यहाँ से हम लोग निकाल लेंगे दिस EF, since this is your isosceles triangle, so this side must be equal to that side. This is 6 and that is 6, because EB become equal to 12 centimeter, and if this is 6 and that is 15, then you can just evaluate the value of this CF by using the formula Pythagoras theorem h square is equal to p square plus b square. ऐसे भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can just evaluate the value of CF. Your CF become equal to this 321 centimeter. Have any doubt in it? Hello? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट कर लीजिए और सारे बच्चे होमवर्क में लिखेंगे वर्कशीट 1 विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. वर्कशीट 1 विथ एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके. Have any doubt in it? हेलो हेलो.
Yes sir.
बेटा किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है?
No sir.
ठीक है. If you have any doubt at any point, you must say to me about your doubt. I will clear your doubt. आपका सारा डाउट मैं क्लियर करूँगा. आप लोग सारे बच्चे एग्जाम्पल प्लस एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चंस बनाइएगा. देखिएगा कि कौन सा ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो नहीं सॉल्व हो रहा है. जो नहीं सॉल्व होगा मैं बताऊंगा. सारे बच्चे कंसेप्ट के साथ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. रटा आंसर नहीं देंगे बेटा. अपने ओन लैंग्वेज में क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे, जिससे कि बच्चों का ब्रेन ओपन हो सके, मैथमेटिकल ब्रेन हो सके. बच्चा मेरा मैथमेटिक्स में लीड कर सके 100%. ठीक है. इसलिए सारे बच्चे खूब ट्राई करेंगे सारे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए. कम से कम 3 बार ट्राई करेंगे. Also you have to try to solve any particular question at least 3 times. After 3 times, if you become unable to solve the question, then I will solve that question. But you have to try at least 3 times. कम से कम आपको 3 बार कोशिश करना है जिससे कि आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाए। अगर नहीं होता है तो उसे मैं तुरंत सॉल्व कर दूंगा, लेकिन आप ट्राई जरूर कीजिए। ओके, हेलो, कहीं कुछ हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? कहीं किसी बच्चे को डाउट है? ठीक है बेटा, कुछ पूछना है? टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी फिनिश, टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर। मीटिंग कंक्लूड करें बेटा। ठीक है, सारे बच्चे क्वेश्चंस बना लीजिए। अभी भेजेंगे स्नैप होमवर्क पर भी, सारे बच्चे स्नैप होमवर्क पर भी देखेंगे सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर जो भेजेंगे, और वीडियो भी बनाकर भेजेंगे। हो गया ना? चलिए, कितने देर का है?